Welcome to another episode of yuminasnaphq. Today we're making a delicious plant-based twist on the classic Sloppy Joe, Lentil Sloppy Joes. We're using brown lentils for this recipe. They cook quickly, no soaking required, and hold their shape beautifully for that hearty Sloppy Joe texture. Start by sautéing onions, bell peppers, and garlic, and a little olive oil. This is where the magic begins. All those fragrant veggies will set the stage for our sauce. Now add in the tomato sauce, tomato paste, brown sugar, vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce. Stir in chili powder, smoked paprika, cumin, and a little salt and pepper to taste. Once our sauce is simmering, it's time to add the cooked brown lentils. Stir it all together and let the flavors meld for a few minutes. Now, load up your buns with this savory lentil mixture. Top with pickles or shredded lettuce if you'd like, but honestly, it's perfect just as is. Serve these Lentil Sloppy Joes hot and enjoy a hearty plant-based meal that's as satisfying as the original. This hearty Lentil Sloppy Joe is proof that plant-based can be just as satisfying as the classic. You can find the full recipe in the pinned comment. Will you top yours with pickles, shredded lettuce, or keep it simple? Let me know. See you next time.